Mint Limeade. I'm going to kick this season off with a mini-series, Mocktails. Now don't sigh, I will follow up with cocktails later, because let's face it, some of us went a bit mental over December. There's nothing worse than the noise of the health gurus, life coach types, all over social media, pontificating that they're up at 5 AM listening to high performance podcasts whilst running at Mount Olympus, whilst you're still in bed looking at memes and watching videos of people fall over. With the holiday season, I've been a bit like an absentee father with the channel, and I overdone it a bit at Christmas. I know that's a terrible excuse, but I was ill, battling my way back home from London, and sounded a bit like I'd chain smoked 5 packs of Marlboro Reds. So it wouldn't have been a good idea doing videos, but I'm back on it and now in peak performance mode and all of that. The ingredient lineup: mint leaves, aim for around 6 to 8, simple syrup, fresh lime juice and soda water. Let's kick this off by adding our mint leaves to our shaker, and then we're going to give these a light muddle. Try not to bruise them as you don't want a bitter taste, we just want the oils. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of simple syrup. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lime juice. We're then going to add some ice to our shaker. I'm going to give this a shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. Strew wise, I don't have anything in this one. There's loads of different versions online, but it's something that seems to have been around for years and I've had it previously. Then double strain the contents of our tin over ice into a highball glass. Top this up with soda water and give this a stir so everything combines. Then garnish with a big mint sprig. The taste test. This is a good one, it's really tasty and refreshing, and it's really simple too. It reminds me a bit, in my opinion, of like a Sprite or 7-Up, and nothing hits like an ice cold Sprite when you have a hangover, like back in the day. Another positive, it's not expensive to make, you can scale it up to make a big jug of it. I like that it's simple, unpretentious, and it's pleasant to drink. So I'm going to give this a solid 8.3 out of 10.